In this module, we will look at literals. The objective is to learn about the different types of literals: integer literals, floating point literals, Boolean literals, character literals, and string literals. Integer literals: any whole number value is an integer literal. All number base values can be used as integer literals. For example, we have three variable declarations of type int, which have been assigned integer literals in base 10, base 8, and base 16 respectively. Octal numbers need a leading 0, while hexadecimal numbers need a leading 0 followed by an x. Integer literals create an int value, that is 32-bit integer value. So if the literal values are 32-bit integer values, how can they be assigned to byte, short, or long without causing a type mismatch error? For byte or short variable, no error is generated if the literal value is within the range of the target type. A byte can hold values in the range -128 to 127. Anything beyond will generate a compilation error. Type mismatch cannot convert from int to byte is the error that the compiler will generate. A short can hold values in the range -32,768 to 32,767. Anything beyond will generate a compilation error. Type mismatch cannot convert from int to short. For long, no error is generated as it can hold much larger values as compared to int type. So is there something like a long literal? Yes, and you need to explicitly specify it to the compiler by appending a letter L, either in lower or uppercase. For example, this number which ends with capital L. Any integer can also be assigned to a char as long as it is within the char range. Floating point literals. These represent decimal values with fractional component. These can be expressed in either of the below two notations, a standard notation and a scientific notation. Standard notation is a whole number followed by a decimal point followed by a fractional component. Example 2.0, 3.14159, 0.6667. Scientific notation. It's a standard notation floating point number plus a suffix that specifies a power of 10 by which the number is multiplied. The exponent is indicated by e or small e followed by positive or negative decimal number. Example 6.022 capital E 23, 314159 e to the power -05 to e positive 100. A floating point literal value is considered as a double literal when defined. That's by default. You can also explicitly specify a double literal by appending a d or small d. Doing so is of course redundant. To specify it as a float literal, f or small f needs to be appended after the literal value. For example, float number is equal to 3.14159f, double number 1 equal to 3.14159. Boolean literals. A Boolean value can have only two literal values, true and false. So these literal values cannot be converted into any numerical representations. That is, true is not converted to 1 and false is not converted to 0. Character literals. A literal character is represented within a pair of single quotes. As we see in the examples below, char test is assigned a, which is within the single quotes. It can be assigned a special character which is at the rate. The next is a backslash with a single quote. A single quote character needs to be escaped. And similar is the case with the newland character. It needs to be escaped with a backslash. We can directly specify the value of a character in octal or hexadecimal notation as well. For octal, use a backslash followed by the 3-digit number. For example, \141 is the letter A. For hexadecimal, use a backslash followed by U followed by exactly 4 hexadecimal digits. For example, \U0061 is the letter A. String literals are represented by enclosing a sequence of characters between a pair of double quotes. Example, hello world, which is within the double quotes, two \n lines within double quotes. And if you want double quotes to be a part of the string literal, escape it with the backslash. So in this example, we have within the double quotes, a backslash, double quote, this is in quotes, backslash, double quote. Note that Java implements strings as objects and includes extensive string handling capabilities that are both powerful and easy to use. These will be covered in a separate module. So below are the escape sequences and octal/hexadecimal notations for both char and string literals. So the escape sequence is backslash followed by the 3 digits, which is an octal number. You have the hexadecimal Unicode character, which starts with a backslash U with 4 hexadecimal digits. For a single quote, you need to escape it with a backslash. For a double quote, we need to escape with a backslash, and so on. To summarize, we have learned about the different literal types. Literals mean a constant value specific to the type. We have looked at integer, floating point, Boolean, character, and string literals.